How to reduce lag and improve FPS in Zombeast. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are in Zombeast and experiencing lag or low frame rates, then a simple adjustments can help the game run more smoothly and improve your overall gameplay experience. The first step you can do is to close off any background apps. Make sure that the Zombeast app is the only one that is running on your device at the moment. And once you do this, this will free up memory and processing power for the game. If your game feels sluggish, then you can also try restarting your device to clear temporary files and refresh system resources. Another thing you can do is to open up the game and from the main lobby, go to the upper left and tap the gear icon. Once you do that, from this settings menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and choose the lower graphic. Tap the low option under graphic, and once you do that, you can get back to the game, and that will help you reduce lag and improve FPS in Zombeast. Also make sure that you are currently using the latest version of Zombeast. Go ahead and open up your Google Play Store on your Android. In the search bar, type in Zombeast and search. Look for this application and check if there is an update button available. If you see the update button, tap on it immediately, and once you have the latest version of the game, updates will often come with bug fixes, stability improvements, and performance optimizations. So that way you will be able to reduce lag and improve FPS in Zombeast. Also make sure to use a stable internet connection. For features that require an internet connection, you can switch to a strong Wi-Fi network or a stable mobile data connection to reduce delays caused by network issue. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to reduce lag and improve FPS in Zombeast. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.